In my previous class, we have discussed how to convert rational numbers into decimals by using long division method. Today we'll solve question number 2. Without actual division, determine which of the following rational numbers have a terminating decimal representation. That means the number will terminate after certain digits after the decimal point, and which have a non-terminating decimal representation. That means the digits will repeat or either non-terminate. That means the division will never be complete. Now, before solving this question, we don't have to apply here the division method. Let's discuss a property. A number p by q will be terminating if the prime factors of q are only 2 or 5 or 2 and 5 both, and p by q must be in standard form. कोई भी नंबर अगर p by q फॉर्म में है तो वो टर्मिनेटिंग तब होगा जब q के जो प्राइम फैक्टर्स हैं वो 2 होंगे, 5 होंगे और 2 एंड 5 दोनों हो सकते हैं. इनके अलावा कोई और फैक्टर आने पर, प्राइम फैक्टर आने पर वह नंबर नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग होगा. नाउ फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज 11/4. 11/4. Now, prime factors of 4. When we do the prime factorization of 4, 2 to the 4. The prime factorization 4 is 2 into 2. Factors are only 2 and 5. We have already discussed if the factors are either 2 or 5 or 2 and 5 both, then it will be terminating. Here the factors are only 2, so it will be terminating. You have to write, therefore 11/4 will be terminating. Also, if you wish, you can write the rule here. Next question is 13/80. Now 80, we will find the prime factorization of 80. 2 40 is 80, 2 20 is 40, 2 10 is 20, 2 5 is 10. Now prime factorization of 80. We have to look at the denominator only, na? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Here also the prime factors are 2 and 5. सिर्फ दो और देखना है कि 2 and 5 के अलावा और कोई फैक्टर ना आए. Hence it will be terminating. लेकिन अगर यहाँ प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन में 2 and 3 के अलावा 2 and 5 के अलावा मान लीजिए 3 आ गया, 7 आ गया, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग हो जाएगा. नाउ लुक एट क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. 15/11. प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ 11 इज 11. डोंट राइट 11 into 1. 1 is neither prime nor composite. So write in this way. Prime factorization of 11 is equal to 11. Don't write 11 into 1. Okay? This is wrong. Why? Because 1 is not a prime number. It is neither prime nor composite. So prime factorization of 11 is 11. And here the factors are other than 2 and 5. Therefore it will be non-terminating. 2 5 रहे ना रहे, लेकिन अगर उसके अलावा कुछ और आ गया तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? non-terminating होगा. Therefore 15/11 is non-terminating. Similarly 22/7. Prime factorization of 7 is 7. So it will be non-terminating. 29/250 you can solve. Now look at question number 7. 49/14. 49/14. Here remember the rule, the p by q must be in standard form. That means the HCF of p and q should be 1. समझने के लिए 49/14 का जो HCF है 1 होना चाहिए. 1 का मतलब हो गया कि ये किसी और नंबर से 1 के अलावा डिवाइड नहीं हो रहा, लेकिन यहाँ पर ये दोनों नंबर ही 7 से डिवाइड हो रहे हैं. So first of all, we'll convert it in lowest form or standard form. 7 7 is 49, 7 2 is 14. Now 49 by 14 is equal to 7 by 2. Now here denominator is 2 and prime factorization of 2 is 2. Therefore it will be terminating. अब क्या फ़ायदा हुआ कि अगर आप इसको स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में चेंज नहीं करते, देखिए 49 बाई 14 को अगर आप स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में चेंज नहीं करते और 14 का प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन 7 2 14 लिखते तो आपका आंसर क्या हो जाता है, रॉन्ग हो जाता। ठीक है, क्योंकि आप 7 देखते आप यहाँ नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग लिखते। तो यहाँ बिल्कुल ध्यान देना है कि जो नंबर दिया हुआ है उसे सबसे पहले स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म या लोएस्ट फॉर्म में चेंज करना है। देयर आफ्टर look at the prime factorization of the denominator, and if the denominator contains only 2 and 5, then it will be terminating. If any other factor other than 2 and 5 comes, then the number will be non terminating. Now question number 3, find the decimal representation of the following rational numbers. As in question number 1, you can divide and get the answer. You have to do it yourself. Question number 4. If the number 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4 plus 4 by 5 is expressed as a decimal, will it be terminating or non-terminating? Justify your answer. बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन। 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4 plus 4 by 5. You don't have to solve this question. Just find the LCM of denominator. LCM of 2, 3, 4, 5 is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 1 is 2, 3, 2 2 is 4, 5. Now 3, 2, 5 all are prime numbers. So the LCM is 2, 3 is 6, 2 is 12, 5 is 60. So while solving this question, we'll get the quotient as 60. Now find the prime factorization of 60. Prime factorization of 60 is 2, 2 is 4, 3 is 12, 5 is 60. You can also look here. 2, 2 is 4, 3 is 12, 5 is 60. Now here the prime factors are 2 and 5, and other than 2 and 5 we have 3. Prime factors are, write the full form here in your note copy. Prime factors are other than 2 and 5. Therefore, now you can write that decimal representation of 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4 plus 4 by 5 will be non terminating. ये पूरा सेंटेंस आप कॉपी में लास्ट में लिख लेंगे कंक्लूजन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 विल बी योर होमवर्क। ये क्वेश्चन डिस्कस कर लेते हैं। जस्टिफाई द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स एज ट्रू और फॉल्स। 22 by 7 कैन बी रिप्रेजेंटेड एज अ टर्मिनेटिंग डेसिमल। अब देखो, हियर द denominator is 22 by 7. Now the prime factorization of denominator is 7. अब other than 2 and 5 है तो ये क्या हो जा रहा है, non terminating हो रहा है. So this statement is false. Similarly you can solve other questions, and up to question number 5 you have to solve in your copy, note copy, and this is the homework for today on. And in my next class we'll discuss worksheet 3. Thank you.